guys, what's up? As you know, it's FX Hybrid. Yes, sir. Well, I know it's been a while, and as you know, it's been a while, and I've been busy with some schoolwork. As you know, trading's not the only thing that I'm doing. I also have businesses to run, so it's just a bunch of diversion in my work. So yes, sir. What's popping? Let's see what's happening. Okay, guys. Today I want to introduce you to my company systems. So today we'll be exploring one of them, and then I'll just put it online for you guys for free to just download whenever you're free. To just download, I'll put the link on the description below. Just make sure you click that bell icon as well as the subscribe button, so that you get to be the first person to know when I upload a new video explaining how the system works, and then how you can apply it on your trades on your daily basis as usual. So yeah, let's get to business, guys. Let's get to business. Okay, so today we'll be exploring the clock version 1.2. I assume all of my students have these systems installed in their PCs. Assume they do, which is a great thing. Okay, I'll just make this video quick. Let me just start with, because I think this one has a glitch. Let me start with the BB by Nick Balak histo and show you guys how this works. So first I'm just gonna remove everything I don't need, which is the navigation bar as well as the market watch, and then zoom at my graph over here. Change the candlestick type to the chart type to candlesticks. And then one more thing I like to do is remove the grid. I don't like the grid as much. Let me take yellow and black, and then common, just show us line, which is the spread. Remove grid. Okay, now does it clean chat, good people? Does it clean chat? It looks so clean to me. I hope it is also clean to you guys as well. So yeah. Oh, price action traders, as you know. The first thing first we do, that's what we do as usual. Yes sir. So when you guys are using the systems, you must make sure that you know at least a little bit of, that's what I tell my students actually in my groups, that yo guys, make sure you know price action. If you don't know price action, we have different groups. We categorized everyone. Actually in the first group, that's when we teach every beginner or every trader about price action and how it works, because when you get to the top, it's hard to utilize the systems if you don't know price action. So it becomes hard, like to interpret these signals if you lack that basic knowledge. So yes sir, let's continue now. Actually I like to use this tool over here. It's called a crosshair. It's even there in your mobile MetaTrader. Yeah, it's even there in your MetaTrader. So actually, how does FX Hybrid trade this histogram indicator or system? Okay, so first, as you can see, I target these levels. This level is 0.9687. Always target that level. as well as this level on this horizontal crosshair line, 0.771 0.9, sorry, 0.90 above, and below 0.90 below. Okay, so that's where you should be expecting you guys to place trades. So you'll be selling at some point over here perhaps, and then you'll be buying at some point over here. So now how do you go about that? It works more like an RSI, but it's not an RSI. So these are trading volumes, what is actually happening in real time in the market. So if you use price action, you can use it to confirm your entries. This is how we actually do some sniper entries. So actually I would enter, if I'm risking, I would enter at 0.68.41, and then I remember this is not the it's not my expectation, it's not below 0.90, so I'll be just risking. I do take such trades just because price action is supporting me. It's saying that, oh yeah, there's gonna be a reversal, just expect the reversal, and then you can enter. So yeah, it did break, there is a false break a little, and then it went up a little, and then came back down, tested that price level again, and then it went up officially. So yeah, you can use price action to confirm. Actually, most of the time you must use price action to confirm your entries, guys, when using this system. So it actually works just fine. As you can see here, this is where we actually go in. 0.80 to 0.90, those are confirmation areas. The first confirmation area, it would be 0.80, and then the last one, it would be 0.90. That's the final confirmation that the market will eventually reverse. So yeah, this is how the system works. And then if you have further questions, guys, just post them down there below on the comment bar or comment line, and then I'll attend to that. And then yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll put the link in the description below as soon as it is available for download. So please guys, please make sure if you don't understand anything, you ask me personally. I would like to share my contacts, but I don't think, not as yet, it's not safe on the net. So yeah, I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.